In application 2, we will try to use LLMs for data cleaning and transformation. In example 1, we are standardizing categories. Let's say that we have a column with inconsistent values. We can ask the LLM to write a function to standardize them. Here we have a messy df. You can see the country is USA, then another version, then United States, etc. We have also different version here. So we can write a prompt that it is saying that I have a pandas data frame column with messy categorical data, and it's asking to write a Python code, Python function that takes a country name as input and standardizes it. So let's run it. It provided the output, the function, then example usage. So we can copy the code here, defining the function, then applying that to that column. Apply for that column. So I'm creating a new column, standardized country, and then that standardized country name is just old country with applying that function, standardized country function. Now you can see that the standardized country is correct. So basically you just need a little bit Python coding, knowing Python codes, and then just using prompts, you can get the work done. Second example is about extracting information. Sometimes you need to pull a specific piece of information like a date, a year from a text, and that happens a lot. So it's very perfect for regular expression function in Python, but usually regular expression functions in Python are very tricky to write. We can ask LLM to write that for us. Here is one example. We have a TextDF data frame. We have a column named description. Then we have these descriptions. Event happened in 1998. And then we have other rows too. Now I can write a prompt asking LLM to write a regular expression module, use a regular expression module or library to write a function that takes a string as input, and then the function should find and extract the first 4-digit year. So for example, for here it will be 1998. From this one it will be 2005. We don't have anything here. If no year is found, it should return none, or NA. We can change that to NA if you want. So let's run it. So you can see that it created that function for us, and we can use it. We can define the function, and then we can apply it. You can see that the column year is created, and that's correct. If you want, you can change it to year variable or integer variable. Here is float variable. We can use LLMs for interpretation and summarization also. Here is one example explaining a visualization. But remember that in order to give visualization directly to LLM, we need to have a LLM models that accept multimodal inputs. Here I will give you a very simple example, but those options are also available, like directly having the visualization to LLM and asking for interpretations. So here I'm creating a visualization, then I'm explaining this visualization, and asking for interpretation. So I'm providing the prompt, I'm explaining the visualization, and then asking for interpretation, providing a summary. But again, as you can see, for example, in ChatGPT, you can directly provide the image and ask for summary. That's also available. You can in Python, you can write codes that uh, in the prompt provides the image and then ask for summary. But in that case, the model that you need to use is should be multimodal, should accept different type of inputs. So here you can see the summary. The Titanic passenger age distribution varies significantly by passenger class, etc. So that's very powerful. Example 2 is generating an executive summary. So here I'm saying that based on the Titanic dataset, we found the following facts. Please write a short professional paragraph for an executive summary. For example, I know you can do that without using Python, but let's say that these results are variables, like it will dynamically, we can create these results from our data set and then provide them dynamically in the prompt and then ask for executive summary. So those are also available here. I'm giving you a very simple example. So that is providing an executive summary. Next, we will go to advanced topics, building a natural language query engine in Python.